Right here in the Bay Area, county health officers, schools, and pediatricians have been preparing for months now to make sure that the vaccine rollout for children goes smoothly. KTVU's Jana Katsuyama here now with how soon children might be actually able to get that shot. Jana?
Well, Mike, the Western States Scientific Committee and the California Department of Public Health still need to give the green light, but some clinics I spoke with today say that if it's approved, they are ready and could start the pediatric vaccinations as soon as tomorrow.
I think I'd get it.
Jet Brennan says he's ready. The 9-year-old is a 4th grader in Berkeley, and he and his younger brother became eligible Tuesday for the Pfizer pediatric vaccine. Their mom, Jessica, says their doctor's office at Berkeley Pediatrics started preparing appointments in advance.
The phone was busy for 2 days with people calling to get their kids on the list.
Dr. Olivia Lang at Berkeley Pediatrics says demand was so high, they posted a warning online that all slots for Saturday's COVID vaccination clinic are already full.
And our phones were literally lit up for 3 hours straight until we closed. People were lined up the next morning outside of our office trying to get an appointment.
California has already sent the first batch of doses. The pediatric vials are orange, a different color from the adult doses.
We received our 300 doses today. This time around with the pediatric doses, there's a more reliance on pediatric practices giving the vaccines, so we're kind of in the first wave.
Parents with children under 5 will need to wait longer, but some say they're glad to hear the news because their toddlers go to daycare with kids 5 and up.
I think one of the concerning things about COVID in general is not knowing what exactly long COVID looks like and the long-term effects.
California has already sent many doses to clinics that work with underserved communities.
There's also no legal documentation needed to get the vaccine, so it's free and available to everybody, also regardless of documentation status.
La Clinica in Oakland's Fruitvale district is ready to give the shots as soon as Wednesday, if approved.
These COVID vaccines went through all the same regulatory steps that all the vaccines have gone through that we already give to our children. And so there weren't any steps that were skipped in the approval process.
Contra Costa County's health department says it's getting 20,000 pediatric doses to administer at their clinics on Saturday. And many counties, such as Marin, are also partnering with school districts to have pop-up clinics on campus.
We have super pods that have been scheduled starting this coming weekend.
Dr. Rosen of La Clinica says children will not be fully vaccinated until 2 weeks after their second COVID vaccine shot. So not in time for Thanksgiving, but she says possibly in time for Christmas and the other winter holidays.
All right, Jana, thank you for that. In our coverage of the Pfizer